We got the red light and infrared light Lifepro therapy belt, but my husband took that one over, so I decided to get another one. I didn't want to get the same one, so I decided to get this version so we have both options. Now, after some weeks of using it, it functions similar to the black version, with the main difference being that the black one offers pulsing therapy, whereas this one does not. You still get 4 light therapy modes, red light and near infrared light, and it also gives off heat, just by the nature of the lights. You plug it in and there's a controller. I have lower back pain from having kids, so this gives me relief and comfort. I will say that I do like the pulsing feature on the black belt version, and paying a few extra bucks for that is worth it to me, but since I already have that one, I can still use it whenever I want. I can easily roll it up, stick it in a weekender bag, and take it with me on a long car ride if I need to. I have about 5 products from Lifepro now, and it's for a couple of reasons. I mention this every time. They have fantastic customer service. It is so hard to come across these days, which matters to us, so I like to mention this every time. Especially with electric products like this, you don't know what can go wrong, and so that's helpful. Their products work, just simple as that. We continue to buy from them because we research red light therapy, understand the science behind it, and have seen noticeable changes with this brand, so we continue to stick to this brand. This Lifepro red light therapy belt works the same as a black belt, but if you're okay to pay a little extra for the pulsing therapy in the black version, I do recommend that one. Otherwise, this is still a great option and still relieves pain.